I want to just state that I'm so disappointed on how Ruto is handling this nation. He has a fiduciary duty, a trust duty, an agency relationship with Kenyans to ensure that he delivers to Kenyans. But he's ensuring that he's frustrating the same Kenyans that he promised that he shall deliver them. The way Mheshimiwa ALFRED KETER was arrested today, not even Ruto was taken to Hague the same way today Mheshimiwa ALFRED KETER was arrested. Ruto was charged with crimes against humanity that comprises rape, comprises murder, comprises forceful evictions. But he wasn't taken to Hague the same way KETER was arrested today, traumatizing children crying in the car, and the same police officers who are suffering the same fate as Kenyans. It is so shameful, and shame on you, Ruto. Shame on you once again. You did say and you did promise that you are going to arrest those who went to parliament. Between the lives that were lost and the part of parliament that was burnt, which one is more important and urgent? Are those lives not more important than the building that you are claiming to protect, where the parliament and parliamentarians were making retrogressive laws that were not in the interest of Kenyan citizens? And therefore, if you want to charge anybody, you will have to charge all Kenyans. And your time is coming.